Hello, I'm Anik Kaprekar, your anchor for today. This is a Facebook Live event, and before we formally begin, let's give a minute or two for people to join in. Now, we know that today many people, our friends and families, are joining from all over the world: USA, Europe, New Zealand, America, UK, and India. A big hello to all of you. In the meantime, you can share feed or start a watch party so your friends and family also can watch along with you. I'm going to do the same. All you have to do is Facebook and just share the feed on your personal timeline. I can see 10. Okay, we are ready to formally start. Namaste, good afternoon, good evening, and also good morning to fellow Indians joining across the world. Welcome to all of you. My name is Aniruddha Kaprekar. I'm your anchor for today. On behalf of VM Group UK, a very warm welcome to all of you. Today, billions of Indians across the globe proudly celebrate India's 74th Independence Day, and we at VM Group UK are celebrating with this special event. It's my absolute privilege and honor to welcome Her Excellency Mrs. Gayatri Isar Kumar, High Commissioner of India to UK. Ma'am, may I take this opportunity to welcome you to the UK and also extend our best wishes for representing a diverse and vibrant Indian diaspora in the UK. Ma'am, welcome to you. We are also delighted to welcome Mr. Rahul Nangre, First Secretary, High Commission of India in the UK, who is joining us today live and is a big supporter of this project. So, welcome to you also, sir. Now, today marks the digital release of patriotic song, Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Just the two words express a collective emotion of India and billions of Indians across the world. Today, all of us pay tribute to our motherland in our own ways. We are presenting a unique musical tribute led by Ashwini Kane and Atul Pandey. All the artists associated with Vande Mataram are based in the UK. So, everyone watching, let's get ready to salute our motherland in a unique musical way. Now, such unique projects are not without their share of feelings of joys and pains. And after me, Atul Pandey will talk about the joys and pains of this project, and that will be followed by none other than Ashwini Kane, who will be sharing her feelings about this composition. So, without waiting, Atul Pandey, over to you.
Thank you, Ani. It was very kind of you to introduce us. On behalf of VM Group of UK, first of all, allow me to thank High Commission of India, Her Excellency Mrs. Gayatri Sarkumar, Mr. Rahul Nangre, and Sri Ravi Gadgil for joining us and helping us to launch our version of Vande Mataram today. This is not just a version of a song for us. This is more or less like a statement. We are a group of music lovers and deeply rooted, as I call, Bharatiya. As most of us Indians living abroad, UK is where our house is, but our home is Bharat. So we wanted a platform which could be global, hence thought of an iconic lyrics by Sri Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. So while there are many famous artists who have actually composed this song before, our composition needed to be unique, needed to be powerful, and imbibe, Indian classical heritage. So we could not think of anyone else but invited Ashwini Kane, who's not just a good artist or a great artist, but she's a great composer, She is deeply rooted Bharatiya. She's a teacher, a good friend, and also a very good team player. She will speak about the composition just after me anyway and explain more. As an entrepreneur, I've done a lot of commercial projects in the past, but this social project turned out to be very exciting, very different, because we challenged ourselves in many facets. It's a through and through chorus song. So joint riyaz meant 6 of us singing together. It was intense, if I may want to call that, and fun at the same time. It also meant Ashwini had to spend a lot of time with us. Silver lining was that all that collaborative singing that we did, they all turned out to be social events. And believe me, there were quite a few of them. No external funding, group collaboration, busy day jobs. I mean, we have people from ranging from healthcare, from IT technology, from university education, public office, and COVID-19 caused the project to run over almost 2 years. But we strived on, and every member contributed thoroughly throughout. Ashwini Pandey, Aishwarya, Swati Kavtekar came up with many innovative ideas, much beyond singing. And then the song was recorded in the finest of the studios, thanks to Ashwath, our young, talented uni student who caught on the vibe perfectly. He spent many weekends and weekdays with us, alone, together with me, charting his creativity with modern bass of fusion for music arrangement. COVID forced us to do a lot of change in our planning. We did individual videos ourselves. So Vikas Rode, a professional editor and director, and a friend, came to our rescue as a masiha. He guided us and he did all the post-production for us. We were quite overwhelmed with joy when celebrities like Padma Shri Anup Jalota, Mr. Pushkar Shotri and Mrs. Kavita Lad supported the song. Can't thank them enough. It's really an honor to have them. And especially want to thank our guest families who supported all the New Zealand to Americas in our song at the moment. I once again want to thank the High Commission of India and request Ashwini Kane to now take over from me to describe the composition. Thank you very much, everyone.
Thank you so much, Atul. Firstly, I would like to thank Her Excellency Mrs. Gayatri Isar Kumar, High Commissioner of India to London, Mr. Nangre sir, for taking time from their busy schedule and kindly accepting our request to grace the occasion of digital release of our song Vande Mataram. We are very much honored and privileged by your presence. Thank you so much. Vande Mataram song, the words full of patriotism. Sri Bankim Chandra Chatterjee ji wrote the song Vande Mataram, which continues to inspire love for our motherland even after so many years. When Atul and Ashwini Pandey and all our team members came up with an idea of recreating the song in a different style, I was overwhelmed as well as excited. In spite of living in UK for more than 20 years, our hearts are always Indian. I was very delighted to express my love for my mother India through my music. Recreating Vande Mataram in a different tune was innovative as well as a bit of a challenging job. My aim was our next generation also should be able to sing the song. Being a student of Indian classical music for more than 25 years, initially I tried to compose the tune in many different ragas. Other than this, as the original song is composed in rag base. I was looking for a tune which is a combination of classical as well as contemporary style. After many experiments, I came to a conclusion that the song of our days should be in rag base. Then the challenge was more, as how it can be different from the original song using the same notes. I had to give justice to the words as well as the tune should express the sentiments for our motherland in the song. Finally, keeping rag base as a base and taking some liberty of going beyond the rag to add the melody to the song structure was made. We had many rehearsals together. All the singers dedicated their time and efforts and all really worked very hard to give justice to my efforts. After the tune was made, most important part was the background score of the song. Atul has already explained about the music and our music arranger Ashwath Dwivedi. Ashwath did an excellent job. Without him, it was incomplete. He took the song to a different level. Thank you so much, Ashwath. Can you please say hello and raise your hand?
Hi there. Hi there. You're welcome. Thank you so much for the opportunity, though.
As Atul said, we had been working on this project for more than 2 years. We all are wholeheartedly and emotionally involved in this. When you do something with true spirit, all the great things start falling into place. When Padma Shri Anup Jalotaji agreed to be a part of this project, it was an honor for me as well as for all of us. I really want to thank Atul for pursuing this further and even after so many hurdles, making sure we successfully finish this project. I must thank Mr. Ravi Gadgir and Prasad Kani for organizing and coordinating this big event. Thank you so much. Now I would request Her Excellency Mrs. Gayatri Isar Kumar, High Commissioner of India to UK, to say a few words and release our song.
Members of the VM Group, OMPEG Group, Srimati Ashwini Kane, it gives me great pleasure to offer warm greetings to you and members of the Indian community and diaspora in the United Kingdom. On this, the 74th Independence Day of India, I greet you from the High Commission in London. Unfortunately, due to the lockdown, I have no option but to meet you like this virtually. But I look forward to the day when we can meet in person and I can welcome you here at the High Commission, your home away from home. I wanted to send to each one of you, my countrymen, my brothers and sisters here, and especially those who are associated with the launch of the digital version of Vande Mataram, my hearty congratulations on this day. I would invite each one of you to dwell on its meaning and its significance as our national song. I take this opportunity to also remind you of the high importance that we at the High Commission of India attach to you and your contribution as a living bridge between India and the UK. Both Prime Ministers of India and the UK desire to see our friendship and the friendship between our peoples grow from strength to strength, especially in the coming days as we collaborate for the mutual benefit and for a better world. Each one of you has made a contribution towards this and will make a contribution in the future. I have no doubt about this. As the High Commissioner of India to the United Kingdom, I once again wish you all a very, very happy Independence Day and hope that you will stay safe and stay well, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Jai Hind.
Unmute होत नाही आहे. Unmute होत नाही आहे. Thank you so much, Her Excellency Mrs. Gayatri Sar Kumar, for digitally releasing Vande Mataram song worldwide. With your kind permission, we will now play the song.
sa sa ni sa ni sa sa ni sa ni sa re ma pa ni sa re sa ni da pa ma ga re da ni sa sa ni sa re sa sa ni sa ni sa sa ni sa re sa Vande Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram Sujalam Sufalam Malayaj Shitalam Sujalam Sufalam Malayaj Shitalam Krishna Shamalam Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram Sujalam Sufalam Sujalam Sufalam Malayaj Shitalam Krishna Shamalam Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram Pani sa pani sa re sa ni da pa ma ga ma pani ni da pa ma ga re sa re ma pa re ma pa ma re sa ni sa re ma pa ni sa Shudra Jyotsna Pulatitayamini Shudra Jyotsna Pulatitayamini Pullakusumita Shobrini Suhasini Sumadhuravashini Suhasini Sumadhuravashini Sukadam Varadam Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Savare Bhavani Pasani Re Savare Bhavani Pasani Sa Vande Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram सप्तकोटि कंठ कल कल निनाद करले सप्तकोटि कंठ कल कल निनाद करले निशब्द कोटि भुजंग कर कर वागे निशब्द कोटि भुजंग कर कर वागे बोले माँ तुम्हीं अबले बहुबलधारिणी नमामि तारिणे बहुबलधारिणी नमामि तारिणे विठ्ठलधारिणे मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे
Okay, I'm sure all of you must have enjoyed the song. Now, without delaying the proceedings, now I will request Mr. Rahul Nangre, First Secretary, High Commission of India, London, to say a few words. He has been instrumental in making this event possible, and I really appreciate and thank him for giving us an opportunity to globally release this song on this great occasion of India's Independence Day. So over to you, Mr. Rahul Nangre.
Namaskar. It's a very proud privilege to be present here on this event, a very momentous event. But once your boss has spoken, it is not too wise to speak long after the boss has spoken. So I thank our High Commissioner for giving her wonderful message, a very befitting message as a leader, as a person who is representing all of us in UK. So she is also appreciated your song. It's a wonderful composition, and I congratulate each one of you who have participated in it. And it's a fantastic effort. I'm sure all the people who will hear this song will appreciate it. One important point, today is a wonderful day to release this song, because as all of you would know, Vande Mataram was banned in the British period. It was taken as a song of defiance. It was banned, nobody was allowed to sing. And people used to sing Vande Mataram and go to jail as showing the defiance. And on 15th August, the ban was removed, and when we became independent. So it's a wonderful day for this composition of Vande Mataram, and you could not have chosen a better day for this release. Especially what I liked was, as Ashwini ji explained in the beginning, the classical composition on Des Rag. This has come out wonderfully. It has been shot wonderfully. So all of you, I can't take all the names, but all of you who have worked on this, I must congratulate you and compliment you. Well done. Keep it up and keep doing such good work. What heartens us, what gives us happiness is, as ma'am said, this is your home away from home. As Atulji said, your house is here, but the home is India. You can take Indian out of India, but not India out of any Indian. So that is a wonderful demonstration of this, that all of you feel so close to your motherland, even though your careers are your British citizens maybe, but still your hearts are in the right place. Janani Janma Bhumischa Swargadapi Gariyasi. So with that background, when you think of that, this song of Vande Mataram, what you have done gives that additional importance and happiness to all of us. And as ma'am has mentioned, that Indian diaspora in UK is the living bridge. It's a matter of pride that all of you are contributing so much to the UK. Our doctors and nurses were leading from the front as frontline workers in the COVID fight. I can see Dr. Ingley here. He was the frontline surgeon fighting it out. Heard from him how things were difficult in the initial days. So it's a matter of pride, all of you working in all the fields. It's a matter of pride to have you here. And this song shows the patriotism that you have in your heart. So please do keep it up, and it gives us immense pleasure to be part of such events. Thank you for inviting, and all the very best. Jai Hind.
Mr. Rahul Nangre, thank you so much. Your words are always motivating and your support is always inspiring. Thank you for joining us today on this important day, and wish you also a very happy Independence Day, sir. You spoke of living bridges, so now we are going to bridge across to India. You noticed in the video that well-known Maharashtrian theatre and film personality Shrotri was part of the video, and we are delighted that Pushkar Shrotri has been able to join us today. So with that, may I please bring in Pushkar Shrotri.
I think he may be struggling with some connectivity.
Prasad is Pushkar's. I saw him online.
Yeah. I think he's struggling with the connection.
Okay.
Yeah.
So do we wait or do we continue with?
No, I think we should go to Ravi.
Okay.
For vote of thanks.
So thank you, Prasad. And it's such unfortunate that while all the human living bridges across UK and India are very strong, sometimes the internet doesn't go in your favor. But charged up as we are with this patriotic song, I enjoyed it. Let's go over to Ravindra Gadgil to formally offer vote of thanks and wrap the event. Ravi, over to you.
Yeah. Thank you, Ani. I'm Ravindra Gadgil from VM Group. I'm based in Milton Keynes, UK. We, the VM Group, would like to thank Her Excellency Mrs. Gayatri Kumar Isar Kumar, High Commissioner of India based in London, for her digital launch of Vande Mataram music video and giving her best wishes and continued support to the VM Group. Your Excellency, it is inspiring for Indian diaspora at large to seek your guidance on an ongoing basis. We extend our thanks to Honorable Mr. Rahul Nangre, First Secretary at High Commission of India, London, for his continued support to make this program successful. Our special thanks to Anup Jalota ji, along with film actor Pushkar Kshotri and Kavita Lad for participating in this music video. Our special thanks to our digital media partners, my Marathi Dr. Vijendra Ingre and journalist Rahul Lad for covering this event. We also thank Mr. Abhijit Patil of Rajarani Travel, who also encourages us to continue on this journey. Our thanks to entire VM Group for presenting this wonderful patriotic music video. We would also like to thank the audience across the world for attending this patriotic event on FB Live. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Jai Hind and goodbye from VM Group UK.
Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you. Bye. Thank you, Rahul Nangareji.
Thank you.
Thanks, sir.
Nice event. Well done.
Thank you.
Congratulations once
Thank
again.
you.
Thanks.
Happy Independence Day. Bye-bye.
Thanks.
Same to you. Same to you. Have a nice evening.
Prasad, you can stop the streaming now, I think.